What's up guys, Zoe here. So today we're remodeling the bathroom. We took the flooring and the subflooring out and we put in this new flooring right here. And then if you walk in here, just where the toilets were and the other toilet. We have plumbing right there. Finished the baseboards and the flooring in here as well. If you take a look at the shower right here, there's we put concrete on the floor and then put the tiles over it with a thin set. And then over here we haven't finished the grouting yet, but we'll get there. We're doing the walls right now, tiles, and then we're almost finished up here. And then we're gonna wait for those to dry until the next day, and then we can re-grout this whole thing, and then everything will be done. And then after that, we're waiting for the vanities as well over here. Vanities over here, and then the vanity over here as well. And then, yeah. All right, Richard, let's get to work.